Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn English channel.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here learning English with us today.
Today's lesson is one of the most important questions you will ever learn in English.
Yes, the question is, tell me about yourself.
This question is everywhere. Job interviews, first meetings, school, and even casual conversations.
So if you can answer this confidently, your English will sound much more natural.
Emily, when someone asks, tell me about yourself, what do they really want?
They don't want your full life story. They just want a short and clear introduction.
Exactly. Many beginners make this mistake. They talk too much or feel confused.
Or they panic and say nothing.
Yes, but don't worry, we're going to make this very easy.
Let's give you a simple structure, and you can follow this every time.
Think of it like building blocks.
Here are the 6 things to include: your name, where you are from, your age, your job or studies, your family or pets, and your hobbies, likes, and dislikes.
If you follow this order, you'll never get stuck.
Let's repeat it again slowly. Name, place, age, job, family, hobbies.
All right, Emily, let's hear a simple beginner answer.
Okay. Hi, my name is Emily. I am 25 years old. I am from Australia, and I live in Melbourne. I work as a teacher, and I really enjoy my job because I love helping students learn. In my family, there are 4 people: my parents, my younger brother, and me. I also have a small dog. In my free time, I like reading books, watching movies, and going for walks in the park. I don't like waking up early in the morning. That's a little about me. Nice to meet you.
That was perfect. Simple, clear, and natural.
And notice I didn't use difficult words.
Let's go step by step so learners understand clearly.
First sentence. Hi, my name is Emily.
Always start simple.
Then, I am 25 years old. I am from Australia.
Short sentences are best for beginners.
Next, I work as a teacher.
Or you can say, I am a student.
Yes, both are correct.
Let's give more examples for learners.
Good idea. I am a nurse. I am a student. I work in a hospital. I work in an office.
Now, family. I live with my parents. I have 2 brothers. I have a dog.
And hobbies. I like cooking. I like watching TV. I enjoy music.
Okay, Emily, now give a slightly longer answer.
Sure.
Tell me about yourself.
Hello, my name is Paul. I am 30 years old, and I am originally from the UK, but now I live in Sydney. I work as an English teacher, and I really enjoy my job because I meet students from different countries. I live with my wife, and we have a cat. In my free time, I like playing football, listening to music, and traveling to new places. I also enjoy trying new food from different cultures. I don't like very cold weather, so I enjoy living in Australia. Nice to meet you.
That was amazing and a bit more detailed.
Let's compare 2 answers.
Beginner answer. My name is Emily. I am 25. I am a teacher.
Better answer. My name is Emily. I am 25 years old. I am from Australia. I work as a teacher, and I enjoy my job.
See the difference? Just a little more detail makes it sound better.
Let's talk about mistakes.
Mistake 1, talking too much.
Keep it short, about 5 to 7 sentences.
Mistake 2, speaking too fast.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Mistake 3, being too nervous.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Now it's your turn.
We'll help you step by step. Repeat after me. My name is, I am from, I am years old, I work as, / I study, my family, I like.
Pause the video and try to speak. Let's do a role play.
I'll be a new friend.
And I'll introduce myself.
Hi, nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself.
Hi, my name is Paul. Shorter version continues naturally. Now you try.
We'd love to hear from you.
Write your introduction in the comments below.
We will read and reply.
If you enjoyed this video,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
see you in the next lesson.
Bye!